Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we gonna talk about the data protection that replace traditional backup and space management software. BMC AMI Cloud is a robust suite of cloud mainframe data management products that allows you to perform backup, archive, space management, and disaster recovery using cloud-based or on-premises object storage. Get compatibility with IBM Data Facility Storage Management subsystem. Create immutable data copies and air-gapped third copies in the cloud with end-to-end compression and encryption. Data storage that eliminates the need for traditional tape-based systems. Write, write mainframe data directly to the cloud with no need for interim direct access storage devices DASDs or having to rewrite job control language JCL. Transition to a cloud storage infrastructure. Eliminate the need for tape and virtual tape library VTL systems and expensive and complex tape management software. Unlock your mainframe data pipeline for use by cloud artificial intelligence AI and business intelligence BI tool and analytics services. শুনে তো এখনো অল্পনা বাকি আছে কিন্তু বলতে চাও না তে বললা we talk about this কোন আরো কিছু হালকা বলে নিতা so thanks for watching our today's video. We hope you like the video. Share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.